Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and I'll be showing you the breakdown of how I played the song. So this is how I played the song. This is what I play using my right hand. In my right, I use these chords, mi, so, do, fa, la, do, and then re, so, ti. Those are the three chords I use in my right hand. So this is what I play using my left hand. So, do, so, do, so, do, fa, do, so, ti, so, do, so, do, so, do, fa, do, so, ti, so, do, so, do, so, do, fa, do, so, ti, so. So when I'm playing the so do so on my left hand, I'm playing this mi so do on my right. When I'm playing do fa do on the left, I'm playing fa la do on my right. And when I'm playing so ti so on my left, I'm playing re so ti on my right. So I'll play it slowly for you to get it. So that is how I played it. If you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.